Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Physicswallah, where learning never ends. There is a very good opportunity which is coming here from Physicswallah, copy reviewer ICSC CBSC. एक बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, रिमोट है, एंड 2 weeks पहले over 100 people have clicked and apply. Still the opportunities are there, so you can apply. सबसे अच्छी बात है वर्क फ्रॉम होम, घर बैठे बैठे आपको कॉपी रिव्यू करना है. अब देखिए नीचे आते हैं जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए. सो कॉपी रिव्यूअर कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल है 3 month. अगर आप अभी कोई और जॉब कर रहे हो या घर पे हो तो आराम से आप ये 3 महीने का काम कर सकते हो, एंड बीच बीच में आप यू कैन ऑल्सो सर्च फॉर अदर जॉब्स. सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, सोशल साइंस, मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस, हिंदी. क्लास लेवल 9 to 12th and salary 25,000 rupees per month. Correct? Okay. Role overview. The copy reviewer will be responsible for reviewing and evaluating a student answer sheet for classes 9th and 10th in the given subject. The role requires accuracy, subject expertise, and consistency in marketing to ensure fairness and quality in assessment. Review and evaluate the subjective answer sheet of a student class 9th and 10th in the assigned subject. Ensure accuracy and consistency in awarding marks as per the marking scheme. So this you can read it. Okay, there is no problem. So subject wise skill required English H. So this H is somewhere else. Okay, so they have written the short form. Social science, okay, mathematics, science, Hindi eligibility criteria. So if you are graduate, post graduate in the relevant subject, अगर आपने BA किया है, MA किया है, BSc किया है, MSc किया है, B.Ed प्रीफर्ड है, बट अगर आपने ये भी किया है तो आप कॉपी रिव्यूअर के जगह पे काम कर सकते हो. प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस इन कॉपी चेकिंग इवेल्युएशन विल बी एन एडेड एडवांटेज. ए स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज एंड अटेंशन टू डिटेल, गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, ए लैपटॉप विद गुड इंटरनेट स्पीड. 25,000 रुपए के लिए आपको इतनी सारी चीजें करनी है. एक्यूरेसी एंड कंसिस्टेंसी इन इवेल्युएशन, एबिलिटी टू वर्क अंडर डेडलाइंस, स्ट्रॉन्ग एनालिटिकल एंड subject expertise, ethical and responsible handling of the student work, something. Okay, click on apply now, and this you have to apply from your LinkedIn profile. So you have to be on LinkedIn. We are sorry you cannot access because it is in the violation of our terms. Okay, so let me see, because this might have this is a TV, basically LED, so there might have some problem. I will try in my laptop, okay, and I will tell you. So what exactly is the issue? So just wait for a minute. Okay, now let me type the link here, paste. Okay, enter. Where is enter? Okay, now let me click on apply, and once I am applying, okay, terms of service. Okay, so fine, I will give you the link of the form from where you can directly apply for this opportunity. Okay, so not a problem. So this is a very good opportunity by Physicswallah. Please apply it as soon as possible. Thank you, take care, all the best.